Hi Prathap.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm great, ma'am. How do you do, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm good. This is Divya from Quality Department. Today I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Okay.
Fine. Prathap, introduce yourself and about your college and how.
Ma'am, myself, Prathap. I'm basically from Ballari. I've studied in the Vemana Institute of Technology, which is located in Kormangla. I've pursued my civil engineering, and I'm here. I have took a IDM course, Interior Design Management course, and I wanted to get to know more about the interior design. So I have joined here, ma'am.
Okay, how you got to know about CMTI Institute
I'm from the college.
from the that's nice. You have told that you have joined for IDM, like Interior Designing Management. What are the topics you have covered and what are the new topics you have learned?
Ma'am, when it comes to the course topics, so basically we have learned the reading of drawing, sequence of construction, and what are the materials that will be used in interior design, and how to draw and how to think creative with respect to the interior design. And when it comes to the software, we have learned AutoCAD and SketchUp. And basically, even CMTI helped us to improve our communication skills also. So where they will be focusing along with the curriculum, they also focus on the skills that is required to crack the interviews. And we have learned about the cut list also, cut list procurement, and how the production will be done. And there was a lot of site visits and experience center visits, so which was actually adding skills for our interviews. Now it was too good.
Okay, how was your software sessions?
Software session, actually, we had two softwares. So one is AutoCAD and one is SketchUp. I really felt very happy because who are the trainer they are training us, they're highly experienced and highly friendly also. So whatever the doubts we may get, so we can easily approach and they will be always available to support us. The level of teaching, it was very impressive, where we have learned a lot of things where we couldn't learn in the college actually. So in the college, it was very limited software skills what we have learned. But when it comes to CMTI and IDMTI, it was a great experience for us in learning the software.
That's nice. How was your site visits? Where all you have went and how was the experience?
Ma'am, when it comes to experience centers or showroom visit, so we had been for IBO, Material Depot, Infra Market, which was one-stop solution for the construction materials. So it was a showroom where we can get each and every hardwares, plies, accessories, everything which is related to construction. And when it comes to the experience centers, we had been for Design Cave and Homes Interior, so on. And when it comes to the factory visit, we had been for Srishti Interiors and Glamour. So when it comes to this, ma'am, experience center or site visits, it was really a very good idea so that we can completely see the process, how it goes practically. So it's very good rather than learning theoretically. So CMTA arranged us for the practical experience also, which really add confidence to our skills.
How was the trainer's support towards you? How they guided you out?
When it comes to the training, it was too good. When I joined, actually, I didn't expect it. There will be an institution like this who supports to this extent. The trainers was very good, very well qualified, and they're always supportive and always available to clarify our doubts and whatever the problems we may face in the curriculum or softwares. So the support, when it comes to the support, it was too good. The way of teaching, it was very friendly. So there was no restriction like you have to be for this time, so you have to go after this. Even the staff were available even after the working or also to clarify the doubts. And when it comes to the coordinators, they were too good. They were very supportive whenever we ask any arrangements like special classes or recording sessions. So it was the support was too good.
Okay, how was Ashok's support towards you? How sir motivated you?
Sir, ma'am, when it comes to the support, it was too good, but he's a highly inspiring person. He always motivates the student. He comes, he tells how the life goes on further. He explains about the real life, how it goes, and he also explains how the process will be there in the other companies, how we should get prepared. And he majorly focused on the placements. how to crack a placement, what are the questions that they may ask, so what is the skills we should acquire for the placements. So these are all, his support was actually very essential for students like me who are seeking for a job and who are willing to learn this new skills, ma'am.
Okay, that's nice. Like finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors about CMTI?
And ma'am, when it comes to the course, actually, like in the college, we'll study for 4 years, but this 3 months, what we learn here, it is really whatever we learned in 4 years. So it's greater that we can learn in 3 months here, and in fact, we can learn more than what we learn in the colleges. And when it comes to the friends, if I want to suggest my friends who are seeking for a job or who are seeking for the internship or who are seeking for the knowledge to gain in particular field, so I feel this is one of the best platform for them to join. And who are already working in certain companies, I personally suggest them also just to join CMTI so that they can upgrade themselves and they get a better opportunities here.
That's nice. Like apart from this, how was your interview procedure? How you cracked?
Actually, this is the first interview I have ever attended. But in yes, of course, along with my friends, it was very anxious for me. Also, it was I was very nervous. Very initial for 1 or 2 minutes. Not a big task for me to clear an interview. So I got one. I got to know one thing. What it is whenever we go to the interview, basically two things play a major role. One is communication skills, and the second one is the technical skills, what we know. When it comes to the communication skills, CMTI supported me for a communication skills so that to apply myself. And technical, yes, of course, it was the expert level technical knowledge that I've gained from CMTI. It was not a big task for clearing an interview. Whatever I have learned, it was the same thing they asked me.
Like what you want to suggest for the one who is willing to attend the interview or want to get placed, right? What one tip you want to suggest for them?
When it comes to an interview, actually, we feel that there is something which is very dangerous that we're gonna face, but it's nothing like just a normal communication. One thing we have to be a confident for ourselves, whatever we learned, because definitely without learning, we'll not be entering to the interview, right? But when it comes to after learning, it's nowhere a point of getting nervous because whatever you have learned, it is the same thing they ask you. So first thing we have to carry the confidence now. That's a major thing I can say. And second thing, we have to a bit focus on the communication skills to speak with a person who interviews.
Okay, that's nice. Like for which role you have selected now?
I have selected for a interior designer role now.
Okay, that's nice. Like I think you're happy with your role.
Yes, ma'am. I'm very happy with my role.
Okay, I can see that happiness in your face. Okay, Prathap, that's nice. Like, thank you for your feedback.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, have a bright future. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much, ma'am.